Hello everyone. Today, before starting vulnerability test, okay, before starting the test on a particular website, actually, I just wanted to tell you about something very important things so that we can easily test our client. Actually, we need to gather the informations of our particular victim, of our particular client, so that we can easily test their web applications. So there are actually two types of information gathering, either a active way or a passive way. Active way means to directly interact with your client, your victim, and you can easily test. Okay, so the passive way is to indirect way. We will gather all the informations of our particular victim, of our particular client, by the indirect way. uh, that we think needs of our information gathering is that is an IP address. We need to know what their IP addresses are, their domain names informations. We should also know technologies used, what kind of technologies they are using, means what the websites are running on which server, like Linux, Windows, Mac or Nginx. These kinds of technologies what are used, other websites on the same server. Even we can find that other websites are running on the same server or not. We need to know about their DNS records. Even we can find the unlisted files, subdomains. Okay, what are their subdomains? We need to find all these things. Okay, by the passive way. Active way, you can just go to your client and just ask their website, your whatever are their sensitive data are. Okay, but in passive way we have to find all these things. So we can just help the internet. We can take the help of internet to gather all the informations. Okay, so let's start. We can actually there are so many provider who provide these informations, but actually I used two. So the first one is Netcraft. Actually, it's a very good tool. Okay, it gives better information regarding of a particular client. Suppose we are finding some web application, a website domain. Suppose that www .com. Okay, suppose that you find the timesofindia.com. Let's see whether it is the domain is there or not. Okay, actually I don't know the domain name, so actually I just type yes, it exists, Times of India. So see the background, site titles. It's actually a national news. Okay, it's related to this. Okay, date first seen January 1997. Primary language is English. Okay, site ranks. It's also showing their descriptions are there, keywords are there, Netcraft rating is also there, site name www.timesofindia.com. Okay, Domain name is also here. See, the domain name is there, timesofIndia.com. Okay, IP addresses are there, 223.165.26.161. okay, IPv6 is not present. Domain registrar is not mentioned over there. Organizations is also not mentioned. Top level domain is not mentioned. Okay, .com is there. Okay, so hosting country is India. Okay, NetBlock owner is also there. Name server is mentioned over here. DNS admin is mentioned. Okay, reverse DNS is not mentioned over here. Name server organization is mentioned, GoDaddy. Okay, so actually the site been that the domain name is being purchased by the GoDaddy. Okay, hosting company is there, Neostar, DNS security. Okay, so these are the brief NetBlock owner. So actually it's a hosting history is there. Okay, what list of servers is being used. Okay, so see, basically the IP address is there. So it's all given the details. Okay, it has been given all the details of OS details, when and what the IP address was there at that time. Okay, so these are the profile. You can go through this and you can find your domain name, whatever your requirements are there. Okay, so basically these are the basics requirement for a testing on a web applications. We just need to know about what the details are there, because without details we cannot test on a particular website, because we really need to know what their working background, what kind of technologies they are using. Okay, so this is the mainly things we should know. Okay, so the other one is I'm just giving you another one. Okay, so it's a Roptex DNS lookup. This is also the very good applications to know all the accounts. Okay, I'll just check the same websites which I have tested on Netcraft. Here I'm just checking on Roptex. See, they have given me the lots of name server. See, their IP addresses are there, their top level domain is there, registry, their domain name, host name, and see the name server. They have given me so many name servers. So this is the very we can actually test on each name server one by one to find the vulnerability. Okay, the mail servers also are there, IP numbers is also mentioned here. Okay, so these two applications is very good. Actually it gives the best result. Okay, so that we can easily test, we can easily vulnerability find, we can find the easily. So till then that's it, and stay a bit. Later I'm going to test on each vulnerability. Okay, so till then thanks for watching, and of course give the feedback. Okay, So thank you so much.